Hello, it's Angeline here. Today I'm going to show you how to create some partial embossing on your card using some cool stamps and some inks. So let's get started. So for this stamp and color this new stamp called Grow and Change by Angie Blom with my Copic markers. And I'm grabbing this background stamp by Brutus Monroe, which is called Sweadda Weadda. This is not only for Christmas, so I'm just grabbing it for this card to show you can also use it for non-festive cards. So I'm grabbing the Thermoweb purple tape here to create some masking on my card, adjusting how wide of a gap I want for the stamp to show. And I'm inking it with my Versamark embossing ink and just placing my card on the stamp instead of the other way and just rubbing that stamp in. Then I'm just peeling off gently the purple tape away before I place some clear embossing powder on top of the ink. Next, I'm grabbing my Ranger heat tool to heat up the embossing powders and melt it in before I add the ink in. Once that is dried, I'm just putting back the purple tape where the masking was, and then grabbing my favorite distress oxide inks and my makeup blending brush to just blend the colors in. I'm starting off with cracked pistachio here and moving on with peacock feathers right in the middle and just blending the colors together. And finally, I'm also grabbing wilted violet to blend it in. Once you're done inking, grab a piece of towel to just wipe off the excess ink and just peel off the tapes gently to reveal your partial embossing. Once you're done, just grab your colored stamps and just place them on your card. As you can see, I'm trying to figure out where to put them, and I thought the top of the card was kind of bare, so I colored in more flowers from the same stamp and just cut it out and to use it as some extra pieces on my card. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!